Hello everyone, in this video we are going to unbox the Campingaz Bistro 2, that is the portable gas stove by Campingaz, and we'll begin with unboxing. And the packaging of it has a very tight leaf over the portable gas stove carry case. So here is the initial impressions, and we have the documentation on the either side of the packaging leaflet, along with at the back it has a lot of information, so do go through these if you're not sure how to use it. But we'll put it aside and see how this portable gas stove is. From the initial impressions of the carry case, it has pretty good build quality and it has sturdy locks so that your gas stove doesn't fall apart. And from the opening, it comes like we have a user manual which has all the ways to use it in different languages and a few details about the service centers. So let's keep this aside and get to the actual unit. You can see the size of it through my the palms. So let's remove the initial packaging, and that is how it looks. It feels pretty premium, and with the build quality, here are the controls, and this is the Bistro 2. Along with that, I found a warning sign, and that was explaining how to align the gas can that we have to use with it. That is how it looks from beneath, so not much over here. We'll quickly hop over to set the gas can into its gas can section. And before that, let's quickly see what this lock and unlock is about. So it is essentially for the gas can engage and disengage. So if you're not using the gas can, you have to just put it into the unlock. Here are the labelings of the regulator. I think that's the internal mechanism of it, and you can always lock it once you want to engage the gas can. So here I'm using a butane gas and following the instruction as given on the warning leaf, and I have to align this particular extra line with the notch over the rim of the gas can. So I think that is the standard among all the brands that they have. So I took some time to align this because it was pretty easy to do and I was expecting some complexity. But when I was done setting it up and using it for a few times, then I recorded the later part of this video to explain you how it goes. So let's see in the other shot how it works. So as you can see, the gas can did get aligned with it, and I put it into the lock mode. I'll just put it into unlock to show it again. Before that, I'll show you the regulator. So right at the bottom of it, we have the ignition mark. So as you turn the ignition real quick, it starts with the lighter. So you don't need a lighter separately for this. So I will put it into the lock mode again. And as I put it into the lock or unlock, you can see the gas can also moves. That's how it's getting engaged and disengaged. I'm not going to turn it on for a longer time, but as I turn it on, it will start with the maximum volume, and the strength of the flame depends on the pressure of the gas can. So this is a fresh gas can, that's why we see a pretty decent flame initially, and when I bring it down to minimum, that is also getting a pretty decent job done. So that's how the flame is, and this is all about the Bistro 2 by Campingaz. Thank you so much for watching my video. To support me, use the link in the description to purchase this product. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.